Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you some of my top self-care tips I like to follow at home that will help you feel good and your skin looking great. So I hope you guys enjoy. I like to start my day with some lemon and warm water. So I slice up one whole lemon and drop it in a glass. Pour in some warm water. You can add in some honey if you like it sweet. I just like it the way it is. It is so great for your skin, keeps you hydrated, and it also helps with digestion. So I'm going to take my time and drink it all up. If I do not have time to have this in the mornings, I make sure to have some during the day. Moving on to my most favorite part, which is skincare. For today's skincare, I am collaborating with MamaEarth's Upton Facial Kit. Uptan is an ingredient that has been used by our mothers and our grandmothers over all the years for naturally glowing skin. So the first step is the Uptan cleansing milk. I'm using a cotton pad to cleanse my face for around 60 seconds and rinse it off. So I like to go in with a facial at least once a month. I feel like that is really important for me, so I either do it by myself or I use a facial kit. I personally feel this kit is super convenient to use at home, and it's super important for those days when you're running late or you have a last minute party. This kit comes in super handy. These are one-time use packs, which makes them hygienic and convenient to use. You don't have to think twice because it's made safe certified, that is no toxins and no parabens. Step 2 is the Upturn face scrub. The granules are really tiny and I'm gently using my fingers to exfoliate and then rinse it off. MamaEarth is all about goodness inside, and this goodness does not just lie in the products but also in the values they stand for. Every time you buy from them, MamaEarth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, MamaEarth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative, which is pretty amazing. Step 3 is the Ubtan Soothing Gel that hydrates the skin. It's super lightweight and absorbs so quickly. Step 4 is the Upturn Massage Cream. I'm taking a good amount and massaging my face for 5 minutes. This helps to improve blood circulation. This facial kit is enriched with turmeric, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It fights signs of aging and makes your skin glow. It also has saffron that soothes the skin and leaves you with a radiant glow. Once I'm done, I'll wipe it off with a damp microfiber and move on to step 5, which is to apply the Upton face mask. I have used this face mask before as well, and it's a really good face mask. I will apply this on and leave this face mask on my skin for 10 minutes, and once it's dry, I will wash it off. All MamaEarth products are chemical-free and made up of natural ingredients. MamaEarth has launched its loyalty program called Goodness Insider, where you get free shipping and free gifts on every order, exclusive sales and offers as well. The link to be a Goodness Insider will be in the description box down below. Of course, the last step is to use the Upton Glow Cream. I am applying a good generous amount all over my face. My skin is literally glowing and plump right now. It is quite similar to a salon-like glow and so convenient. honestly, I love it. You can use my code GATE2022 for a 20% off at MamaEarth's official website and app. It's available on Amazon, Flipkart, and MamaEarth's official website. One of the most ignored practices in our hectic lifestyle is hair oiling. So I make sure to oil my hair at least once a week because hair oiling is so important. I am using coconut oil and I like to add in few drops of castor oil as well. I like to massage this all over my scalp and leave it on for 2 hours. If you have dry scalp, leave it on overnight and wash it off the next day. This will keep your hair and scalp hydrated, which helps prevent excess hair fall. Hair oiling has improved the quality of my hair so much, and it's a very important step in my self-care routine. Hair oiling helps stimulate hair growth, strengthens your roots, and helps prevent dandruff. While shampooing, I like to dilute my shampoo, and since I have oiled my hair, I prefer shampooing my hair twice to make sure my scalp is squeaky clean and there is no oil residue left behind. Here is a DIY body scrub that you could try if you like DIY or homemade products. There are times I get bored of my store-bought body scrubs, so I go in with this scrub. All you need is chickpea flour, rice powder, make sure that the granules are really fine and not large, a pinch of turmeric, and mix it all together with water to a smooth consistency. I like to scrub my entire body with this. All of this is so great for your skin. Do not be afraid of applying a lot of this because it's important. Focus on the areas that tend to be more rough or bumpy. If you have tiny bumps, this works for that as well. You can also use this as a body mask and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I also love using this body scrub if I have to attend a function, but I always do it 5 days before. Natural products do take time and you need to be consistent. Once I'm done with my shower, I like to go in with a microfiber towel to soak up all of the excess water and cover my hair with it. Leave it on for 15 minutes. This helps to reduce frizz and allows my hair to dry really quickly without any breakage. If you're running late but still want to look all put together, all you need is a lip tint or a lipstick or a lip serum, whichever you prefer. I am using the MamaEarth lip serum. It has such a beautiful color and instantly gives you a more flushed, refreshed look. I like to apply some on my cheeks as well and blend it all out. Of course, the last step of this video will be to add in your favorite perfume. It instantly lifts my mood and makes me a lot more productive. These were some of my top self-care tips that I like to follow. With that being said, I really hope this video was helpful to you guys and that you did enjoy. If you did, like and subscribe, and I will see you really soon.